you ever thrown away rubbish and get a bitter feeling? Like when you throw away leftover food because you can't finish it? It's an inevitable feeling that occurs because we probably could have done something else instead of just simply throwing it away. Especially in this current era, where living expenses just get higher and higher. Just think about it, the amount of money they could afford a whole meal 10 years ago isn't enough to cover a plate of noodles today. We've given this matter some thought. Fortunately, we are able to come up with a solution that can overcome this predicament.
We made this product with the desire to make use of biodegradable waste rather than simply throwing it away. As the name suggests, we want to create a product that can effectively and efficiently break down waste, hence its name as PIRANHA. The broken down waste can be used in agriculture, which we firmly believe could be used in chemical fertilizers if sold in the market. Why do we say so? Let's take a more in-depth dive into the product.
We decompose food waste by using a decomposing agent called starch. The wall of our bin can trap heat, which accelerates the breakdown of organic material while bacteria also grow faster in the warmer environment. The filter is used to separate the decomposed material into two groups, which is in solid form and liquid form.
The product consists of a timer purchased by Mr. DIY for 24 ringgit with a few modifications we made. Our product consists of 4 plastic containers, each costing 11 ringgit each, with a total amount of 44 ringgit. Our product secure, we use stainless steel bolt door lock set, which have 8 of them to be precise, which costing 5 ringgit 30 cents each. Also use 4 sturdy glue racks to stabilize and maintain our product. Sturdy glue rack which costs 10 ringgit and 50 cents each, totaling up to 42 ringgit. Final cost for our product is RM 152 and 40 cents.